Ah, rogue tomato, got it. Hey guys, it's Mindy Kaling, your favorite actress, producer, role model, etc., etc. You might know me from The Office or The Mindy Project. I was also in a night at the museum as a tour guide for 5 seconds. So, you must be wondering what I'm doing here. The answer is, I'm cooking HelloFresh, America's #1 meal kit. Some of you know that I love cooking, but I don't have the time to spend forever in the kitchen. I have like 3 jobs and 2 kids who insist I play hide and seek with them 9 hours a day. Time to go pick up my groceries. Be right back. Fancy seeing you here. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, what have we got here? Garden spinach ricotta ravioli. This looks bomb. And with zucchini ribbons, ginger lime salmon looks very classy and healthy. HelloFresh really knows me very well. Oh wait, no, I picked these last week. I think that the winner here might be the pork carnitas tacos. Yeah. So today we're making these tacos, and we have this giant green thing.
That's a poblano pepper.
A poblano pepper. And we have parsley.
Nope, that's cilantro.
Cilantro. And let's see, what's this? Tomato paste. Okay, that's great. This just saved me like half an hour of cooking. Nailed it. And check this out. They sent all my ingredients perfectly portioned out. That was nice. Bye, measuring cups. Alrighty, I'm gonna get cooking, but come back next time to watch me peel veggies like I'm making it rain. Making it rain zucchini.